Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your videos longer in CapCut app. So in here, I have a 12 seconds video, but I want to, let's say, make it longer twice from 12 seconds. So let's say around 25 seconds. So here I'm going to show you the trick. So what you need to do is just add the clip and click on it here on a timeline and go to the speed menu. Tap on speed, click on normal, and here you can just slow down the video to easily make the video longer. So let's swipe the circle to the left. I'm going to make it to 12 longer, so twice longer, so I'm going to go with 0.5 times. Now here, to get a better quality, choose better quality on the smooth slow motion. Click on a check icon, and after that you can see now the video is now 24 seconds, which is twice time longer than before. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.